My mom also got me this Faygo Firework soda. Let's try this. So before Mountain Dew Summer Freeze came out, which I got Mountain Dew Summer Freeze here, a lot of people said that Mountain Dew Summer Freeze, or this tastes a lot like the Mountain Dew Summer Freeze. So let's see if this is true. I'll do like a soda comparison and also a first review here, first taste review as well of this. Wow. Hold on. Let me fix my shirt. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow, that tastes a lot similar to this. Wow. Or it smells, I mean, a lot similar to this. Wow, okay. Also tastes like Mountain Dew Whiteout too, a little bit. Which is like basically not even a thing anymore because it's like discontinued. There's some places that have it still. Wow. Hold on. Wow, okay. Okay. Wow, okay. Wow. I don't know how many times I'm going to say wow, but wow. Weird. That's okay, that's weird. This is pretty good. It tastes a lot like Mountain Dew Whiteout, but also tastes a lot like this. I'm pretty sure Mountain Dew was, plans probably were gonna be white because this looks a lot like, or this probably was supposed to be like this, but they probably changed it to blue because they probably didn't want to get, like, copyright or something, I don't know. But anyway, wow. Oh my god, that does taste a lot like Mountain Dew Summer Freeze. It also tastes a lot like a Bomb Pop as well. Wow. This has a little bit more sweeter taste, but like it has more of like a Mountain Dew taste to it. But they taste exactly like similar, very similar to each other. Like I can't believe how similar these both taste. I thought my friends were just joking about it, but wow. These taste really similar to each other. Wow. Wow, okay. That's weird. Anyway, pretty good.